Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix Discord app not open on your PC. So let's start. So if you have the problem that Discord app doesn't open on your PC, well, I have for you a method that can help you to open this. So you have to press that is Windows icon on your keyboard and R, the letter R. So just click here and you will find this app. So you have to write a percent here and then just app data and then just again a percent symbol. So just click here and I'm drawing here is data. Okay, so just click it and then you will find the file that says Discord here. Just you click on the right and then just delete it. Okay, you have to delete it and you will clear all the data for Discord. So in this way you will open again Discord, and that is the way that this will work. And you open Discord and you will see that this work and the app will be open without any problem. So first you have to delete that and then just open the Discord app without any problem. So guys, I hope this method helps you to do it. If it's yes, well, just subscribe to our channel and give like to this video.